Let's take a look at the Microsoft gamebar screen capture and recorder. Now it will capture an entire desktop, but it will not record an entire desktop. Let's go ahead and launch it. To turn it on or off, press simultaneously the Windows button and G. So Windows G, see that's on, Windows G, it's off. So select the monitor that you want it to appear on and press Windows G. Now here's settings. You can link accounts. You can change the default shortcuts. You can personalize the look a little bit. And you can change some of the capture settings. Like you can turn off all audio recording. And we have feedback there. So another thing you want to do, at least I would do, select the widget menu and I turn on gallery. This helps you get to your prior captures. You see how I have the whole screen selected? That means only the screen capture is available. And there it is. It saves items in Videos Captures subfolder. So let me open a program. If you have an application selected, make sure you click on it so the focus is on the application. Then turn on the bar, Windows G. And now see I have the recording button is also available. So if I start recording and I can turn on, okay, I have to allow it. Allow microphone is on. There, I'm going to turn it on for gamebar. Now it allows me. So if you get the little permissions pop up, just scroll down and ensure sound is turned on for gamebar. Mute myself, turn myself back on, and I can stop recording. And there's my recording right here. And you see the name indicates the app that I recorded. You cannot edit video with gamebar, but it's good to get a quick capture. So that's pretty much it. Gets you started with the gamebar. Obviously it records more than just games. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.